Okay, so this is the compressor switch. Okay, so I've got the battery, it's not turned on, but you have your little air hose compartment up in there, and that's where I store the valves. So we got to turn it over here, and we go on, but it's dead because I've used it. Normally it will hold a charge for about 2 months. So power off, power on, work light off, work light on. See, shows that it's dead. And then that's where you charge it. That's where you put your 12 volt. So if you have a 12 volt to 110 adapter, you'd put it in there. And then you could have other things charging. You got your 2 USB, and this light is super bright. Okay.